Hello everyone, this is Yamini Sharma. Welcome to Eastway Build Well. Today I am going to tell you all about a project which is located in Sector 80 of Gurgaon. This is a project by Conscient Group and the project's name is Park. Conscient Group in itself do not need any introduction as they are prominent and reputed developers of India. They have a number of projects across India, majorly in Goa and Dehradun, and across Delhi NCR also they have a number of projects. Some of them are currently under construction and many of them they have already delivered. Heritage 1, Heritage Max and Elevate Hines are few of them. Also, if I tell you about this project Park, which is coming up in Sector 80, it is going to be a resort theme based project wherein you are getting number of amenities in this project along with an amalgamation of urban sophistication and enchanting greens of nature. Talking about the connectivity of Park, it is located in Sector 80 of Gurgaon, which is a prime location, and from here you can access to NH8 in just hardly 2 to 5 minutes, since it is just 250 meters away from here. And if I talk about Dwarka Expressway, then Dwarka Expressway is just 7 minutes away from this location. You can reach to IJ Airport in hardly 25 to 30 minutes, and this location has a great connectivity to SPR and New Gurgaon region. Along with that, you can reach to Cyber City in just 15 to 20 minutes from this location. You will get number of options for shopping, for recreation, and along with that you will get options for hospitals and hotels in close proximity from this location. Connectivity is not going to be a problem for this particular location. Let me give you the details, the configuration and the amenities that you are going to get in this project Park. This project is spread across 6.5 acres of land parcel, wherein about 5.6 acres of land parcel are going to have residential spaces and about 2 acres of land parcel going to have lush green spaces. The apartments are going to be in 3 BHK and 4 BHK configuration. 3 BHK without utility are going to be around 1945 square feet. 3 BHK with utility are going to start from 2300 square feet until 2400 square feet. 4 BHK apartments are going to be around 2825 square feet. Along with that, these apartments are going to be luxurious and are going to have a view of Aravallis. They're going to be a lush green spaces in this whole project, and the towers are going to follow a step-like pattern. The towers are going to have the configuration of around 26 to 34 floors. If I tell you about the amenities that this project is offering you, then they are going to just blow your mind. The clubhouse area of this project is going to be around 50,000 square feet, in which you are going to get a number of amenities here, be it gymnasium, sauna, spa, swimming pool, salon, or indoor games for your children, maybe outdoor games for your children, just name it, and you will have number of amenities here. You'll get an open gym here. Along with that, for your pets, there's going to be a pet park and an amphitheater which is open, an open gym. So amenities are just superb in this particular project. And the USP, what I personally found, the USP of this project is the sky bridge, which starts from the entrance of the project and follows all the towers, which is 20 feet above the ground level, and it connects you to all the towers. This sky bridge can be used for walking, jogging or cycling. If you are somebody who is planning to invest in a project which has luxury with nature's touch, then this could be an amazing opportunity for you. Just don't miss this chance. If you are looking out to experience such luxury wherein the whole project is going to make you feel like you are living in the arms of nature, as this project is offering you views of Aravallis along with lush green spaces. जो ये अपार्टमेंट्स होने वाले हैं ये बहुत ही lavish और luxury feel आपको देने वाले हैं. It is going to be a resort theme based project. If you are planning to experience such a lifestyle, then this is going to be an opportunity waiting for you. Thank you for being with me in this video until the end. Let us know if you have any queries related to real estate market in the comment section below, and I will try reaching you soon.